Hello friends, today we are going to see the unit number 5 in which the next part, that is battery and magneto-ignition systems. Already we have seen the different types of the magneto-ignition systems: TDI, transistor control ignition system, capacitive CDI, capacitive discharge ignition system, and mechanical breaker point ignition systems in last video. In this video we are going to see the comparison between the battery and magneto-ignition system. Myself, Mr. S.P. Udgave, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Etrao. So, content related with the battery and magneto system. So, first, the introduction, types of spark ignition system, battery ignition system parts, working, magneto ignition system parts, and their working. Comparison, the advantages and disadvantages of the battery ignition system. Also, we can see the advantages and disadvantages of magneto system, and finally we can compare the both battery and magneto ignition system. Introduction related with the ignition system turns the engine on and off. It creates a timed spark and distribute it to the cylinders. The ignition system provides a high voltage spark in the combustion chamber at the proper time, distributes high voltage spark to each spark plug in correct sequence, times the spark so it occurs as piston is nearing top dead center, and varies the spark timing with load, speed, and other conditions. Ignition systems are mainly two types: spark ignition systems, SI engines, and the compression ignition systems, that is used in CI engines. An ignition system obeys the law of conservation of energy. Hence, it can be treated as balance of energy between first one, that provided by the external source, that released by chemical reaction, and third one, that dissipated to the surrounding as thermal energy. Types of spark ignition system. There are two types of spark ignition system: battery and magneto spark ignition system. In battery systems, transforms the battery voltage and fires the spark plug at the correct time, and the magneto systems must produce the current, transform voltage and the time of spark plug. The most small engines uses the magneto systems. Two types of the magneto systems: breaker point, most widely used two types, but there are three types: breaker point ignition system, that is a mechanical type, and solid state electronic type, that is also called as a capacitive discharge ignition system. Battery ignition system. In this system, we use a battery of 12 or 24 volt, and this voltage is raised to extremely high value of 15,000 to the 24,000 volts for producing spark. Battery supplies all electric power to the ignition system. We can see the image. Through the battery we can supply, through the key we can start the engine. At the starting, the battery will supply the charge with the primary resistor that goes to the coil, and through which the condenser and distributor sequentially we can use the distributor cap to sequentially inside the cylinder spark plug creates the spark. Battery ignition system parts are: the battery provides the power for the system, already in last image we can see, already we have seen, ignition switch allows the driver to turn ignition on and off. Ignition coil, the changes the battery voltage to the 30,000 volt during the normal operation and has potential to produce 60,000 volt. Switching devices, that is a mechanical or electronic switch that operates ignition coil, pickup coil, crank sensor or cam sensor coils we can use, and spark plug uses the high voltage from the ignition coil to produce the arc in the combustion chamber. Ignition system wires the connect the components. Working as the key inserted to the ignition switch, primary ignition circuit starts at the battery. A low voltage is supplied to the ignition coil and the primary coil winding is not electrically or to the secondary coil. The secondary coil have were to increase the voltage supply. This voltage is around 24,000 volts goes to the distributor circuit. The distributor circuit have worked to distribute the incoming voltage to the different spark plugs at suitable timing. After that, current jumps the gap, that is a plug gap provided in a spark plug and igniting the gasoline mixture. So magneto ignition system, you can see the in this system the battery is replaced by the generator or dynamo. This generate the electricity of 6 to 12 volts, which is rise to a 15,000 to 30,000 volts by an ignition coil. So initially at the when we start the engine, the rotating magnet continuously that will supply the power through the cam and it goes to the distributor, and distributor will distribute the voltage across required timing to the cylinders and that will create the sparks inside the cylinder. So this is shows the continuous line, it is nothing but the primary winding, and dotted it is nothing but the secondary winding. Magneto ignition system parts. So these are the numbers of parts: magnets, points, that is the breaker points, trigger coil, conductors, spark plug, condenser, breaker point only, and lamination stack, primary winding and secondary winding. So working as magnet in flywheel, rotate the past the magneto and the point at the magnetic flux of the magnets, the flywheel induces the current in the primary coil. With the current that is a flowing in the primary circuit and the magnetic field develops around the primary coil. This magnetic field is also surrounds the secondary coil. As the flywheel continues rotates, the breaker point it is open and current is generated. So in this image we can see the continuously that is a flywheel magnet it is rotated, primary and secondary while that is a gap lamination stack it is provided, and through which that the points the primary and secondary windings through current is generated, and that goes to the gap spark plug and that is a condenser it is connected, and we can use, and that is a amplifying, and when the breaker point open the magnetic field produced by the current in primary winding collapse. The collapsing magnetic field flows across the secondary coil which induces the current in the secondary coil. Because there is a 16:1 ratio of the winding in the two coils, the voltage is transformed to the 10,000 to 15,000 volts needed to fire the spark plug. Advantages and disadvantages of the battery ignition system. So initial Advantages: initial cost of the system is low. It offers battery sparks at the low speeds and at the starting of the engine. Disadvantage: at high speeds, the spark voltage decreases because of the battery bulk of the system is high. Similar way, the advantages and disadvantages of ignition system. System is reliable as no battery is present, and the system more suitable for the medium and the high speed engines. Disadvantage: at low speeds and during the cranking, the voltage is very low. The powerful sparks at high speeds causes that is a burning of electrodes. Now we can see the comparison between the battery and magneto ignition system. The battery ignition system, it is necessary difficult to start the engine when battery is discharged. But in magneto ignition system, no battery is needed, and there is no problem of battery discharge. In battery ignition system, the maintenance problems are more due to the battery. In magneto ignitions, maintenance problems are less since there is no battery. Third difference point: current for primary circuit is obtained from the battery, but in magneto ignition system, the required electric current is generated by the magneto through which help of rotating flywheel. Fourth difference point: battery ignition system, a good spark is available at the spark plug even at low speed. In magneto ignition system MIS, during starting, quality of spark is poor due to the low speed. In battery ignition system, efficiency of the battery system decreases with reduction in spark intensity as engine speed rises. But in MIS, the efficiency of the system improves as engine speed rises due to the high density spark. It occupies the more space. MIS, magnetic ignition system, occupies the less space. BIS, commonly employed in cars and light commercial vehicles, and MIS, mainly used in racing cars and two-wheelers. So this is the difference between the battery ignition system, BIS, and MIS. So stay connected for the next videos. Thank you.